and welcome to another scrumptious episode of the Cannabis Kitchen. As always, I'm your host, Chef Faye, and today we are making a CBD infused French toast topped with a homemade mixed berry honey. Let's get this party started and start with our mixed berry honey. So we're gonna need about a tablespoon of coconut oil in a medium-sized saucepan over medium to high heat. We're gonna melt the coconut oil, and once it's melted, add in our berries. Now that your berries are added, you want to smash them up with the back of your spatula. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes and then turn it off, set it to the side, and let it chill out while you make your French toast. So for our French toast, we're gonna need some bread. Typically, I like to use a whole grain, nuts and seeds type of bread for this dish. 4 eggs, about 2 ounces of almond milk, some cinnamon, and our CBD hemp extract from Phoenix. I'm gonna put about 60 milligrams of CBD in this egg batter. Now grab a saucepan with some coconut oil on the bottom of it, put it on medium-high heat, and then you're gonna wanna grab your pieces of bread and dunk them into your batter and then put them straight onto your pan. There you have it. You have a breakfast feast and an amazing start to your day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah.
That's so good.
Chef Faye. Just a reminder to not consume edibles and drive, and to dose responsibly.